What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is NourTrades, and today I'm going to be bringing you my live trading account, live login, and all that good stuff. So why am I doing this? And on YouTube. So for one, I want to talk about. I already do this on Trade Like Nour. If you ever saw my trading account, I have a separate account. I have my main account, and then I have a trading account where I show all my profits and losses. On YouTube, you might not see my losses. You might see the highlights. So because on YouTube, I'm always explaining how I made this money and how you could do it. Do the same on Trade Like Nour. It's clear, like losses, gains. My weekly statements are on there. My weekly cost basis and all that good stuff. So the thing is, on YouTube doesn't transfer to social media is very that much easier, whatever. And so that's why you see YouTubers with 2 million subscribers on YouTube and then only like 200K followers on Instagram. So what I'm doing is, since Instagram sees it, I do it on live. I do it on, I record. I don't really like the screenshot world because a lot of Photoshop's up there, and anybody could play with pictures. It's extremely easy. So I like live videos on YouTube, like this one. I like live videos on Instagram because you could literally go live and show a login. I've done that so many times. I've been doing that since the beginning of my career. I've been posting videos of my account and my profits or losses since the beginning of my career, before this whole social media entrepreneur or influencer thing started. So today I'll be doing the same for YouTube, just so that you can really tell the difference between other mentors. And I don't really even consider myself a mentor, even though I do help. I've been in the trading community for a while, so I'm just the person that follows my own trading plans. So if you want the rest, where you want the full details of my statements and my profits or losses, you might want to go follow Trade Like Nour on Instagram. That's in my trading page. YouTube, I'm just gonna put this video up there. Like I said, I already have it on Instagram. Might as well get it on YouTube. Because I'm 20. Everybody thinks everything nowadays is fake because someone's young. Don't judge a person by their age, because someone who's, I'm not talking about me, but someone who's, let's just say 17, could have done a lot more than someone who's 35. So, and also, when you guys are studying and trying to learn from someone else on the internet, you're gonna wanna sorry, I just need to make sure this was recording. You're going to want to ask them for videos like this, live videos. Don't ask for a picture. You want to ask for their statements, their profit or losses. No screenshots. Don't ask for that. Ask for videos. Ask them to log into their accounts live, FaceTime, whatever the case may be. Because, people are out here trying to make money off of other people so that they can fund their own account, right? And obviously no names, but when people come to my page, they're like, yo, this kid's 20, gotta be fake. And I don't really care, because they with them, without them, I make the same amount of money. So I don't pay attention to that. I don't respond to anybody because there is no need to. Me responding to someone would just give them attention and would give them clout. Give them clout, and I just have far more followers, and I wouldn't want to do that. It's free. So to show the difference between me and other people, I'm gonna put this on YouTube and show the login. The only thing I'm gonna be blurring out is obviously my username and my account number, because my username is my account number. I have numbers. I don't have actual letters, and I mean I do. I'm not gonna talk into details, but I don't like showing my username because there's no need to. You don't need that. But so I'm going to show you the login. Let's press this login button here, obviously. So you can do paper trade account, which is the orange. Paper trade is the fake TD Ameritrade. If you know anything about TD Ameritrade, you'll know what this login is, how this is, live trading is the real account. Paper trading is the fake account. Live trading is where you actually have to put money from your own bank account, or real money that you're actually losing or winning. Paper money you could practice. So a lot of beginners use that to practice, which there is nothing wrong with it. But like I said, we're on live trading. We're gonna press this login button and we're gonna log in here. Here we go. And then I'll show you on the camera, and then we'll get into here. And then I'll show you guys the timestamps and everything. So like I said, I'm gonna press this so that I can turn the security off. I'm gonna press this, but this is gonna be blurred out because my account number's on here. And then I'm going to press privacy off. Boom. All right, so this is my account here. This is one of them. I actually, if you go on my Trade Like Nour account, you understand I have different accounts. I have the 50K, 25K challenge going on. I have another options account going on. I have this account. I think I have 4 TD Ameritrade accounts. So 4 TD Ameritrade accounts, and this is one of them. So, excuse me, hiccups. So I have it here. In this particular account, I have almost $1.8 million in here. Net liquidity is my account, balance right here. I do have open positions in Apple. These are some long-term holds that I've had. I've had multiple long-terms. I've been rotating as the market's been changing these past few months, and I've been in and out of different things. And I post that on Trade Like Nour, like I said. So what I'm going to say is, don't look at trading as a get-rich-quick scheme, because it's not. You're not going to get rich quick. A lot of students do get lucky and, they hit big, but it's not like that all the time. So I want people to understand that, and this is my account here. So that's all I really wanted to show. Put this on YouTube because YouTube, like I said, is different from Instagram, and all mentors should be showing their account, because if you can't do it for yourself, how are you going to help hundreds of other students do it for them? So, you know what I mean? You can't be out here trying to teach people something you haven't done yourself. Teach yourself first. After you teach yourself, that's the first step. And then just how you study in a classroom, how do you know that you actually know it? You have to pass the test, right? You have to do good on your test. So teach yourself and then do good on your test, which means start making money in the market. Then you could teach other people. And I've been doing this since high school. So I'm 20 now. I've been doing this since 16. I actually had an internship on Wall Street. And ever since then, I just got into it, and it was a domino effect. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this isn't, a brag or anything. I just needed to do that because I already do it on Instagram where I show my weekly. You have to. I have to show my losses, show my gains. And I like showing my live trading account. And I logged in. Oh, I got to show it on the camera. So, as you can see, let it focus. Even the time up here is the same. Look at the date, July 3rd. Let's show the top right here, July 3rd. Look at the time, Friday. Oh, by the way, it is July 3rd. Market is closed. So if you're wondering why the market's not moving right now, market's closed today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, educational videos coming back. We're resuming the 25K challenge. The reason I already talked about it in the last video, but the reason is the volatility kicked up in the market, and I wanted to catch it with size, and I did catch it with size. I made, pretty big, decent plays. Made a couple. I had, I think, 2 20K plays, 2 10K plays. I think one of them was 14. I did have a big loss. I think one of them was 8K. Had an 8K loss. And that's all on Trade Like Nour. I'm gonna start posting losses on YouTube so that you guys can see. I know a lot, like I said, people don't go to Instagram. I can't really help it, but I'll start making it on YouTube so you guys learn from my mistakes so that you don't make it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Let me know what other videos you guys want in the comments section, and we could do it. I actually have do I have a vlog coming for YouTube? I don't know. Probably for Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram. And pre-registration for my chat is also in the description below. We accept twice a year, so if you want, go check that out. A lot of people comment, and then there's a lot of fake NourTrades accounts trying to scam other people, and let's just make this easy. The pre-registration form is there. DM me on my Instagram. I don't have any other Instagrams other than NourTrades, StockHours, which is my student's account, student profits and losses, and then Trade Like Nour. So there's 3 accounts: NourTrades, StockHours, and Trade Like Nour. Trade Like Nour is my trading page, and NourTrades is my main page. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys. Peace. Another segment here. It is the very next day, and I just remembered that I should put this in the video because I remembered that even though I showed step by step all my profits or losses since I've started, even before the whole social media thing started, I was still posting on my Instagram, and it's still there on my Instagram, so the history is there, but YouTube is separate. So I wanted to make sure that everybody on YouTube knows that that's not deposited money, and it could only be profit. How do you prove that? You go to your actual TD Ameritrade on the website, and it'll show you your profits. So there's literally nothing you could say or anybody could say as far as when you show them your TD Ameritrade account and when you show them the actual website with your year-to-date profits, or your profits in general. And here we are. I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, it's a real website. And now I'm going to go here and press cost basis. So now we're going to load up here. And as you can see, my year-to-date is $482,835. And that's just 2020, and that's just one account. Remember, we talked about I have separate accounts. If you want to know the details of the other accounts, you can actually go to Instagram and get the details on the other accounts, because I'm always posting that. And this doesn't count. I actually have another 350,000 in open positions on this specific account. Like you saw on my Thinkorswim account, you saw that there was an open position on Apple, and it's almost 400,000 in profit. So when you add that to this, I'm technically up almost 800,000 on just this account. So it just says 482 because I haven't closed that position, so it doesn't count. It's realized. My profits on Apple is unrealized because I haven't sold it yet. So when I sell it, you'll see the 800K. So that's all I wanted to get out. Made sure I put this in a video so that everything here is straight.